Here are three simple things that can likely send you to jail in Nigeria. Three simple things that you most likely do almost every day. And the number one on my list is nothing other than sedition. And as the name implies, let's see what sedition mean in the code. Section 50 sub 1 of the Criminal Code Act describe the offence of sedition as an offence which incites people with the intention to create civil disorder in the state. It could be by just a speech or a conduct inciting people to rebel against the authority of a state or a country. Okay, let's assume Mr. A gathers Mr. B and Mr. C to rebel against the authority of the state or the country, or perhaps cause civil disorder in the country or in the state. They will definitely go for it, for sure, for sure. And the number two on my list is assault. Now, assault is defined under the Criminal Code under section 252 that where a person attempts or threatens to apply force on another person is deemed to have committed the offence of assault. Now, where a person attempts or threatens to apply this force on another person is deemed to have committed this offence. It doesn't necessarily need to have applied the force on the other person. Okay, let's assume Mr. A attempts or threatens to apply force on Mr. B. The only prerequisite is that he shall have actually or apparently a present ability to effect his purpose on Mr. B. It is deemed assault. And if you are guilty for assault under section 252 of the Criminal Code, you will go to jail for that. Now, the number three on my list is manslaughter. Although manslaughter is the unintentional killing of a person, but it is still unlawful homicide. And section 325 of the Criminal Code Act prescribe the punishment for manslaughter as any person who commits the offence of manslaughter is liable to imprisonment for life. Okay, let's assume Mr. A instigates a fight with Mr. B, and apparently Mr. B could not stand the slaps from Mr. A and died in the process or as a result of the slap from Mr. A. Mr. A would definitely be guilty of manslaughter because he had no intention to kill Mr. B, but Mr. A will go for it under section 325 of the Criminal Code, which presume that if you are found guilty of the offence of manslaughter, you will be going for life imprisonment. I hope you understand. And I'm Counsel Smiles. Follow for more legal tips.